I'm still kind of just trying to think about what I want you to draw, but we'll get to that part later.
All right.
Since this is trending, I want you to wear this
Okay.
over your eyes.
Okay.
And this is going to be your bird box challenge for today. Kind of reminds me of Harry Potter a little bit with the Gryffindor kind of colors.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
So where do we go?
I want you to start. You start right here.
Whatever.
All right.
Alright, am I going?
All right. Bird box on 3, 2, 1.
I knew that there was a door frame.
You're in the door frame.
So
That'd be
there's a
more
rug.
of a challenge for sure.
As I slowly walk to my seat. And in the center, like
Move
my arm around.
So start right here.
That's the center?
Center, yeah.
Okay.
That's center. All right, so I want you to draw a bird. It can be a bird sitting, flying.
Alright, so I get
eating.
it. So I gotta figure out if I'm doing the body or the head first. Alright, I gotta start with the body. I'm going with the simple shape of a body. My lines might not be perfect,
Yeah.
but like, here's the
So
thing.
are your eyes closed under that blindfold? Or are you
yeah,
just-
they're closed.
Okay.
I'm like hitting my eyeballs right now.
Okay.
You wanna hit my eyeball?
It's completely. Okay, that's shot. Yeah.
First of all, we're sketching. So this is about expression. This is about bringing a line to life. I think about right here, we should have like a wing. So the question now is how big is this bird's head? So right here, man, this is tough. Because when you think of water birds, this is a bird floating on water. You think of these feet. I have no idea where I just drew that. But you know what I'm saying? They're kind of
Yeah.
flapping. I may have
Yeah.
done a horrible job in the placement of those feet. Now, when you walk upon this and you see this drawing, do you think of a bird?
Yeah. Kind of looks like a bird, but looks more like a snake.
How am I doing so far? Does it look like a bird?
I mean, you have like a snake coming out of a basket, and
then I'm just gonna add some water.
yeah.
Should I stop?
That's water.
Now you got a bird floating on water with his legs in the water somewhere.
Yeah. Well, you're close. Up a little more.
So what if there's like blood just kind of coming off the legs? I don't think I have eyeballs for this thing. I'm gonna go with like 2 eyes right here.
Yeah.
I like that. Now his legs just got cut off somehow though. You think he doesn't feel anything because his legs fell off and it was like, huh, what was that?
Why are my legs gone?
Right.
Oh, so he's.
Am I drawing? Yeah, like
Yeah,
there
you're
needs to be
drawing.
nubs to the bottom of this first off. Here we should have like a little tail, like, whipping around, whipping nay.
Yeah.
If he just had a top hat.
Yeah. Kind of like a Thanksgiving hat.
Yeah, it kind of feels like that, you know, like.
Could add feathers if you want, but I mean.
I think it's complete. I think it's done. I think if. I like the hat. I think that hat added some personality.
Yeah.
If I made this line darker, it would make more sense. Since this is so dark and that's so dark.
I was really impressed with the water and the tail placement. Yeah, that was good job. Spot on with that.